Welcome! We are the leading company in Slovenia in CNC mechanical processing. We offer you a complete solution from brief ideas to production process as well as a service. Our know-how combines our long tradition, latest technology and young and professionally trained employees. Our technology park consists of 9 CNC centers, over 20 CNC turning machines with bar feeders, laser engraving, saws for cutting, and other special tooling to make a job done. Company covers over 1,500 square meters of production, also another 500 square meters of warehouse for raw materials and finished products. Our growth are 20% per year, and in the next 5 years we are planning to build another 4,000 square meters of production capacity, as well as a new development center. Over the past 45 years, we manufactured over 10,000 different products from different sectors, for which we received several recognition from local community, also recognition on national level. As a corporate social responsibility, we sponsor also local firefighters, volleyball team and racing team. Our company is present in the air, ground and water, and our mission is customer satisfaction and to empowering ideas and bring them to life. We want to be one-stop shop, everything from idea, technical drawings, 3D modeling to prototypes, and at the end production and delivery to the customers. We can supply all surface treatment, welding by a robot, grinding, and at the end also different surface protection for all kinds of metals. Flexibility and quality is in our genes, which proves also ISO 9001 certificate, d.o.o certifications, and our goal to ensuring 0 ppm as a standard. We also established measuring laboratory, which consists of latest 3D measuring machine from Wenzel, machinery for control hardness, roughness, and well as other methods to ensure operational excellence. Join us and put us under the test. We are here for you.